Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you're probably trying to access Discord, but it's blocked in your country, at school, or at work. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to easily unblock Discord so you can chat, call, and game with friends no matter where you are. What you'll learn in this video: why Discord is blocked in some places, how to bypass restrictions using a VPN, step-by-step guide to using NordVPN to unblock Discord, why free VPNs don't work and can be dangerous, what to do if Discord still doesn't work. You can click the link in the description to get NordVPN, the best VPN for unblocking Discord safely and securely. Let's jump in. Before we get into the fix, let's quickly go over why Discord might be blocked for you. Country restrictions. Some countries like China, UAE, Iran, and Oman block Discord due to government censorship. School and workplace firewalls. Many schools and offices block Discord to prevent distractions. Public networks. Airports, hotels, and coffee shops often block Discord to save bandwidth or for security reasons. But no matter where you are, you can unblock Discord in just a few minutes using a VPN. So, how does Discord know to block you? It detects your location using your IP address. If your IP is from a restricted country or network, it won't let you connect. The solution? Use a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN changes your IP address, making it look like you're in a country where Discord isn't blocked. It encrypts your data, keeping your browsing private and secure. It bypasses school, work, and government firewalls, so you can access Discord freely. Why choose NordVPN? Fast and reliable. No lag while chatting or gaming. Works in restricted countries. Obfuscated servers bypass even strict VPN blocks. Strong security. Protects your data from hackers and surveillance. Easy to use. Works on PC, Mac, mobile, and even routers. Don't use free VPNs. Many free VPNs don't work, are slow, and sell your data to third parties. If you want a safe and fast solution, using a trusted VPN like NordVPN is your best option. Now, let's unblock Discord in just a few simple steps. Follow along with me. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. NordVPN offers monthly, 1-year, and 2-year plans. Longer plans are cheaper and come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open NordVPN and connect to a server in a country where Discord isn't blocked. USA, UK, Canada, Germany, etc. Step 5. Open Discord. It should now work without restrictions. In rare cases, if Discord still doesn't work after connecting to NordVPN, try these quick fixes. Try a different VPN server. Some servers work better than others. Use NordVPN's obfuscated servers. These help bypass strict firewalls. Clear cache and restart Discord. Fixes connection issues. Try using a different network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Check your VPN protocol. Switching between OpenVPN and NordLynx can improve connectivity. These simple tricks should fix 99% of issues. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to unblock Discord no matter where you are. Discord blocks users based on location, but a VPN easily fixes this. NordVPN is the best option because it's fast, secure, and works even in countries with strong firewalls. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a discount and access Discord today. Did this method work for you? Have any questions? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.